Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, check it out. I am super excited to share with you these under-counter LED lights. Let's get into it. Okay, I do want to let you know that I did buy these with my own money for my own use, but I am also an Amazon affiliate. Okay, these are packed with tons of options. Couple things I do want you to know is these are a foot long, so each light is a foot. It comes with a leader that is 9.4 inches. It also comes with extensions which are 14.5 inches. You do get 3 different lights, and then also you get a power cord, and the power cord is 4 feet 9 inches long, just so you know if you're planning things out a little bit. So there's plenty of different options. You get 3 lights and they hook together. You can use these to make them go further apart, or you can just hook them directly to each other with the leaders. And what I like about them is they are super light. So it comes with all the hardware and everything you need. So right here you're going to get double stick that you can put right on here. You also get clamps if you prefer that. You can screw these in and then they just clip right in. And then you're also going to receive these hooks. So they're stick ups, and it's for your wires so you can keep everything nice and trim. You get a remote that's action packed with tons of features. These are dimmable, unlimited colors. And there's also a timer. And then what's really cool is there's a music mode, a few different music modes on here, that when you hit the button for the music mode, the lights will actually dance to the music. So that is super cool, very versatile. You can use these on wine cabinets, book cabinets, china closet. I'm using them in my kitchen and the under counters. And I like them because they're really nice and light. Also, what's super cool is it also has an app. And you want to search for Lotus Light, and that'll bring up the app. And then once you have everything installed, turn on the app and it'll find the lights, and then you can work from there. So super cool, super excited to show these to you. Now I'm going to get them installed and I'll show you what they look like installed. Gang, look at that, I got them installed. Let me tell you something, these were really easy to install. The remote is packed with different features, different colors, and I am using one remote on 2 pairs. But this is super cool, check this out, the music mode. Hey, what do you know? Hey, what do you know? Isn't this super cool? So you can leave it on this and it'll go to the music. But I like it on blue. There you have it. Like I say, it's a great LED set of lights that you can use for many, many different applications. And I thought they were priced reasonably and well worth it. I want to buy more. I just like them that much. So there you have it. That's it from here. This is Bo. Till next time. See ya.